Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about XRP Ripple coin. What's the price? Changes occur in XRP. Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, please click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos. The currently live price of the XRP in the market is 1.13 USD dollar. That is the currently live price of the XRP. And other side, if you talk about the changes occur in the XRP, so you can see here guys that the last 1 hour changes of the XRP is negative, last 1 day and last 1 week changes occur in the XRP is completely going positive. Only guys, the latest situation of the XRP is negative, and except after last 1 hour, the previous 1 day, the previous 1 week changes is positive on the market, guys. So that's really good news. Congratulations news for everybody. Anyways guys, now let me show you the price chart of XRP and try to detect the next move of the XRP. What's the future? Is the future of XRP is safe or not? So guys, you know what guys, I recommend for all of you that the XRP future is also safe. You can see here absolutely a massive gain occurred by XRP in the August month. Just look here, this kind of jump. I really appreciate this kind of jump, and you can see the video technical analysis of the XRP. So that is the resistance and there is a support line. Now they are between the, you can see they continue stable like that. Now possibility that the price will pump. So guys, possibility that the price will pump in the future. So 100% the future of XRP is safe. Just hold for a long time. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.